Is Gemini safe to buy Bitcoin? Intro. Question hook. Ever wondered if Gemini is the right platform to dive into the world of Bitcoin? We've got the answers. Context. Bitcoin, the digital gold, has captured the world's imagination. But with so many platforms out there, choosing the right one can be daunting. Today, we're diving deep into Gemini, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. Is it safe to buy Bitcoin on Gemini? Let's find out. Section 1. What is Gemini? Brief overview. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange platform founded by the Winklevoss twins. It's known for its security measures, user-friendly interface, and a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Key features. Security. Discuss Gemini's cold storage, insurance, and multi-factor authentication. User experience. Highlight the platform's intuitive design and ease of use. Supported cryptocurrencies. Mention the variety of coins available on Gemini. Section 2. Is Gemini safe? Security analysis. Hacking incidents. Discuss any past security breaches and how Gemini responded. Regulatory compliance. Explain how Gemini adheres to regulatory standards. Customer reviews. Share testimonials from users regarding their experiences with Gemini's security. Risk factors. Market volatility. Address the inherent risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Regulatory changes. Discuss the potential impact of changing regulations on Gemini and the cryptocurrency market. Section 3. Buying Bitcoin on Gemini. Step-by-step guide. Account creation. Walk viewers through the process of setting up a Gemini account. Verification. Explain the necessary verification steps to ensure account security. Depositing funds. Demonstrate how to deposit fiat currency, e.g., USD, onto the platform. Purchasing Bitcoin. Show viewers how to buy Bitcoin using their deposited funds. Fees and charges. Transaction fees. Discuss the fees associated with buying and selling Bitcoin on Gemini. Withdrawal fees. Explain any charges for withdrawing funds from the platform. Section 4. Gemini versus other exchanges. Comparison. Coinbase. Compare Gemini to Coinbase in terms of fees, security, and user experience. Binance. Discuss the differences between Gemini and Binance, focusing on their target audiences and features. Kraken. Highlight the unique aspects of Gemini compared to Kraken. Section 5. Is Gemini right for you? Consider your needs. Beginner or experienced. Determine if Gemini is suitable for beginners or experienced traders. Security concerns. Assess if Gemini's security measures align with your risk tolerance. Supported cryptocurrencies. Consider if Gemini offers the coins you're interested in. Alternatives. Decentralized exchanges. DEXs briefly mention the option of using decentralized exchanges for more control over your funds. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Final verdict. Provide a clear answer to the question, is Gemini safe to buy Bitcoin? Call to action. Encourage viewers to conduct further research and consider their individual needs before making a decision. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.